In a sector, the length of the arc is 7 centimeters more than its radius. If the area of the sector is 147 centimeters square, then find the length of the radius and the arc. So here, let the radius of a sector, let the radius of a circle or sector, here I'll consider as r centimeters. Now here they told length of an arc is 7 centimeters more than radius. This is given equation 1. If the area of the sector is 147, area is 147 centimeter square. Now here the relationship between length of an arc and area is A equals LR by 2. A equals LR by 2. Now if I'll substitute the values in that, 147 equals length is R plus 7 into radius, again it is R by 2. So here 147 equals R plus 7 into R by 2. So now if I'll do here, 147 times 2 is 294. So if I'll cross multiply, 147 into 2 is 294 equals, if I'll multiply here on the right side, R square plus 7R. So next if I'll frame this equation, R square plus 7R minus 294 equals 0. Now I need to factorize. So 294, 2 times 1, 4, 7, 7 times 21. So 21, 14. See, these are the factors, 21 and 14. So I'll split with that. I'll use 21 and 14. So here R square plus 21R minus 14R minus 294 equals 0. So if we'll take R common, R into R plus 21 minus 14 into R plus 21 equals 0. So now here next step, I'll take R plus 21 common, then I'll get R minus 14 equals 0. So R plus 21 equals 0, R minus 14 equals 0, R equals minus 21, which is not possible. So R equals 14 centimeters. So length of radius is 14 centimeters. Now we need to find length of an arc. Now you can substitute here, A equals LR by 2. So A equals LR by 2. A is 147. We need to find L. Radius is 14 and by 2. So 2 times 1, 2 times 7. So 147 by 7 is L. 7 times 1, 7 times 21. So L is 21 centimeters. Radius is 14 centimeters. Length of an arc is 21 centimeters.